Hello everyone, friends on the edge of Velosh. Today I'll show how to join any Minecraft Bedrock server on PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, Xbox and so on. For this we have Realms. Here you can play with friends by clicking the play button Realms. And here you can either create a server or join an existing one, or join some public server. To do this, click Servers and you'll see the servers list. If you don't like these servers, click Add Server, find a server online, and click Add or Add and Play. And you can join it and, well, play. There. Now I'm loading some resources needed for this server, specific resource packs, but I just picked this server as an example. Right? It's loading now. I'll be back when I connect. So I've joined the server and now I can play. As you can see, I chose a different server for this demo, specifically an internal one. And now, see, you can play. That's all. This is Velosh. Goodbye, everyone!